guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my skincare and like hair products with my my little Finn. Everybody's like, I've been calling him Little Finn on this channel, Little Finn. So yeah, this is Little Finn. He's really cute, really cute and handsome. But let's start off with hair. So I got this like dupe of I'm British shirts. Some kind of really popular hairband. My bestie got it for me. Or picked it out for me. Her mom bought it for me, but it's super good and I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so nice and good. And for him, I have his little grooming tool. Come on, buddy. And we're just gonna. Oh my god. He's so mad at me. He was sleeping a few minutes ago. I kind of just disturbed him. But he's gonna be falling asleep with me, so it doesn't really matter. Nice groom through the hair. Good job. Okay. Hey. I'm only going to be using 3 products tonight. I'm going to be putting my hair back. I'm going to have hair gap for my nose. Just in the end, it's in the night. Set his hand, my mind, got that love, the crazy kind. I'm his and he is mine. In the end, it's in the night, and the night. Ooh, ooh. In the end, it's midnight, and he's on his head, my mind, got that love, the crazy kind. I'm